expenses with us. Whether it is our transport bhavan, we could not start the work because there is no money. Center also, they don't have that much of money to give us what they used to give in yesteryear. Nevertheless, we have not been found wanting or lacking in doing things like we got electrical buses. Now the next challenge is fixing the stations to power charge those particular electrical buses. Whether chicken came first or egg came first. Buses came first. So perhaps the chicken came first and now it is like hunting for the egg. So now we are in the process of setting up the station. Once that's set up, then from 50 buses we have asked for another 200. We will have 250 electrical buses which is environment friendly. We are in the process of installing digital meters for the taxis in Goa, which is a very big thing. There were complaints of always higher charges, not following the fares which government has fixed. So in order to allay those fears, we are fixing the digital meter. Counter is just being transferred to us, not yet transferred. It is being transferred to the transport department. At that time I will see that these black and yellow taxis get 2 counters, so that they are the main airport taxi people. So their primacy will be established, and then try to streamline the other things as well. So we have been working in that direction. Pandemic times, they did not have to pay any road tax, they did not have to pay any other fees, they did not have to obviously then pay the penalties. All we waived for them. Even taxi meter is free. It is free in the sense when they install the meter, within 3 weeks they get 50% of the cost of the meter. And after that, we give them the remaining 50% end of the year. But on my birthday today, I want to inform the taxi people. I have already discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister. In fact, I was supposed to announce it during the demand on the last day, but you know what happened. They did not allow us, and guillotine was applied, and we just passed the thing. I want to see that try to do it in such a manner that when they go to fix the meter, they will not have to pay the 50%. I am in the process of doing that, but their 50% they will get end of the year. So at least 50% relief on दिवपाक करता. Already I file move करपा फुडल्या वीकात ती move करपा लायता. पूण माझी एकूच मागणी, जे कोण बसयला तांकां पयशे रिफंड मेळटले. फुडल्या सिरीजान आहा तांकां रिलीफ मेळटलो. I also understand the position. Tourists नासले, आतांच येवपाक लागला.